Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your device and account so the install goes smooth. First, make sure battery is above 50% and your data is backed up. This prevents loss if you roll back. Next, enroll in the Origin OS beta program and accept the terms. That gives you the build and OTA access. Then enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and enable OEM unlock only if the beta instructions require it. Doing these steps now avoids common blockers later. Once enrolled, download the exact Origin OS beta image for your model, because mismatched builds brick devices. Verify the checksum to confirm the file integrity, and choose the official updater route if available. It's safer. If you must use ADB sideload, connect via USB, boot fastboot, or recovery per instructions, and run the precise commands. Pauses or wrong flags break the bootloader handshake. Make sure to keep power and cables stable. Interruptions during flashing cause the most failures. After the install completes, you'll walk through setup, restore your backups, and update apps so everything uses the new APIs. Use beta feedback channels to report issues, include logs, steps to reproduce, and screenshots that helps developers prioritize fixes. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Boot into safe mode to isolate third-party app problems, clear the system cache to fix transient errors, and if the device is in a boot loop, be prepared to reflash the stable ROM or seek official recovery tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.